ChatGPT will generate the multiple choice questions with the standard authority of your state or your jurisdiction or where you live. I'm back with a brand new one. Now, I just accepted a challenge that AI or machines cannot help your school. I'm like, what? What are you talking about? Are you serious at all? That you can't automate your small or large schools with AI? Are you kidding me now? Okay, let's do this and I'll show you practically. You see, I'll be talking about it as I'll be showing you. Now let's start not even from the school. Let's start from the house. I will graduate it up to the school. Sometimes when my kids are running up in the house, all I do is I just ignore ChatGPT because I speak to it. I just say, ChatGPT, say hello, how are you today? I pick the voice I wanted to talk to me with, maybe female, male, whatever. And I say, can you create questions like 40 with time limit and the answers for a grade this and a grade this for my kids? You know, I mentioned the grades there and I want it with the answers and the time they are going to spend. And ChatGPT tells me it's ready. I'm like, what? So I pick the system. I slash the screen of the system into two. I tell the first person, this is your test. I tell the second person, this is your test. See the time. I put the timer in front of them. They get their shit and they start working. Within 1 minute, the house, everything is silent. Then I have peace. It's interesting. And, you know, I just use that to get them busy. So, you know, that is just in the house. No qualms. Nothing. Just trying to get them busy. So why are you not going to use them or use it in your school? Okay, this is how you use it. In fact, I'll make it so easy for you that you don't need to do a lot of things. Look at what I'm going to do now. I say, use the Nigerian syllabus. Sometimes you need to copy the syllabus and give it to your AI, but in this case, you don't have to. Just tell it, use Nigerian syllabus, use Ghanaian syllabus, use the UK syllabus, use the US. Mention the specific syllabus you use anywhere in the world. Say, use this particular syllabus and create MCQs, which is multiple choice questions, standard multiple choice questions for tests and theories for tests, and put the time limit with the answers. For the multiple choice questions, put the answers in the options. For the theory, put the answers in workings or whatever it is. If it's biology, to explain it to you, to, you know, it will give you everything you want, and just mention the subject and punch enter. That is the end. ChatGPT will generate the multiple choice questions with the standard authority of your state or your jurisdiction or where you live, with the theory and the time allotted by the exam body itself. And what else do you want? You can use it for your test. In fact, teachers that are trying to use their brain to draft assignments now are a total waste. You don't do that. You already have your syllabus, you know what you have to do. In fact, if you are generating it yourself, you are making those children go backward. ChatGPT, Claude, all these AI models know exactly what these kids will see and read and will change their lives. Something that will put them in a global thinking, global arena of learning. So all you have to do is, this is the topic we have, this is the topic I've taught the students. Create an assignment for them to expose them, to teach them about the subject and make it relevant to today's world. That is all you have to do. Drafting assignments from morning to night will not do. It will give them quality assignment from what you have just taught them, things you can't even imagine by yourself that can come out of it. So for schools, is someone still telling me ChatGPT is not for schools, or Claude is not for school, or AI is not for schools? Then you don't know what you're talking about. Now, that is just basic. I have not gone into anything. What of generating results and working on it? Of course, that could be a little bit complex, but it works. I've created apps for schools that is working, that has changed the orientation of education in the country where I live. So you are into education, you have not done your research. Well, if you have, you will know that ChatGPT can even mark the script of your students. Yes. I think I won this challenge too. No, I didn't win. We both learned. So go and try it if you have a school. I'll do another business again. Just drop it in the comment section. Then I'll come and tackle it right here. Thank you, everyone. Subscribe, because that is what makes the reach get to you each time I drop something like this, the banger. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.